Jain friends, I am Abhishek and today I along with my relatives and friends out on a trip in Alwar district of Rajasthan. Basically I am from Kotputli and we have started our journey early in the morning from 6 o'clock, and today I am going to tell you the one-day trip for the Alwar district, in which I will cover the destinations like Sariska Tiger Reserve, Pandupol, Bhartari Temple, then Narayani Manta Temple, then Nilkant Temple, and then Viratnagar and all that. So as I told you that we have started our journey early in the morning from 6:30 a.m. and by 8:30 a.m. we have reached to the Sariska Tiger Reserve, and from there there is a temple called Bhartari Baba Temple, very famous in the localities, and the temple is famous because Bhartari was the brother of a king in Ujjain, the King Vikrama, and because of some their few family disputes, he abandoned his kingdom and traveled far from Ujjain to the valleys of Alwar, means Arauli, and here he became the saint, and from there onwards that Bhartari Baba temple is famous, so you can visit there. The quality wise, the reason to visit the temple is that the temple is located into the deep inside of the green lush environment of the Sariska Tiger Reserve, and then from there onwards come back again to the Sariska Tiger Reserve. While coming back to Sariska Tiger Reserve, you can have the breakfast along with the roadside, and then one thing you must notice is that for the Sariska Tiger Reserve you should only visit only on Tuesday and Saturday only. So if you are coming with an SUV or car or a jeep, then you need to pay 410 rupees as a fees, and then you can get the entry. And then getting the entry from the Sariska Tiger Reserve gate, first you go to the Pandupol. Now let me tell you why you should visit the Pandupol. Pandupol is a place that actually that is a religious place in Hindu religion, because that is see, if suppose Sariska Tiger Reserve is a circle, then Pandupol is the center of that circle. First of all, there is a temple of Hanumanji there, and Hanumanji is in lying position, means in that temple, so that is famous. And there is also a story behind that. During the Mahabharata period, then there was an incident when the Pandavas were in there, that Agyatwas, means they were given the 12 years abandonment from their kingdom. So in their 12th year, while they were searching the way to the Viratnagar, so at one place they didn't find any way to cross these Aravalli hills. So then Bhim, who was the strongest among all them, so he with the help of his that mighty Gada made a hole inside that Aravalli and found the way to the Viratnagar. But after this incident, all the deities thought that now because of this incident, the Pandavas are now very pride. They might feel very pride. So Bajrangbali, took, you can say, disguised himself into the form of a old monkey, or you can say the in Hindi we can say Bajrangbali. Then while they were on their way, so Bajrangbali stopped their way by lying down his tail. So Pandavas requested him to give them way. So Bajrangbali told Bhim that, Bhim, you are very strong person. When you can make a hole inside the Aravalli, then easily you can make the way by pulling off my tail. Then Bhim tried with his mighty force to aside that tail, but he couldn't. Then Yudhishthira requested Bajrangbali that he is no. Yudhishthira realized that he is not a common man. He might be some supernatural power. So they requested to come alive before them. So Bajrangbali took his original form and then blessed the Pandavas to be successful for their 13th year, which was the Agyatavas. So this place is famous for that. Along with that, this place is also famous for that natural beauty. The scenery is very that is a dense forest with a lush green environment. Then that is surrounded by the high mountains, and water is flowing naturally. So you will find another form of Rajasthan. Basically all people know Rajasthan because of that Thar, and they have that image. So when you will come here, then you will know another aspect of the Rajasthan. Then from Pandupol you can directly go to, then the next destination will be Nilkant Mandir. That is also a very ancient temple. After Nilkant you can go to Bhangad. Bhangad is another very famous place because of that ghost stories and all that. That is actually a haunting place. Actually, it has been told that Bhangad was a city and which was destroyed, so after Bhangad you can go to Viratnagar, and like that you will complete one-day trip. Okay friends, thank you. So that was for this video.